morning children. Hope you all are doing good. Happy to take yoga class for you all. Let us go to the session. What is yoga? I hope you all know what is yoga and the benefits of yoga, but still let me explain what is yoga. Yoga is a systematic practice of physical exercise, breath control, positive thinking and meditation aimed at developing harmony in the body, mind and environment. Now move on to what is meditation. Meditation is a practice in focusing the mind on a particular object, thought or activity to train attention and awareness to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. What are the benefits of meditation? It increases mental clarity and focus, greater sense of self-awareness. It reduces stress and anxiety. How to do meditation? Sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana in your comfortable posture. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Concentrate only on your breathing. Keep your mind free. Do this meditation for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let us see pranayama benefits and how to do pranayama. It enhances immunity, improves mental sharpness and relieves stress. It improves the digestive system. You can do this pranayama for 10 counts. How to do pranayama? Sit comfortably in Padmasana. In the left hand, keep Chin Mudra, right hand, Nasika Mudra. Close the right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale deeply through the left nostril. Close the left nostril with the ring finger of your right hand as you release the right nostril. Exhale slowly through your right nostril. Keeping the left nostril closed, inhale deeply through your right nostril. Seal the right nostril again with your thumb, then release the left nostril. Exhale out of the left nostril. You should now be in the original position. Do this process for 10 counts. Now we will do few warm-up exercise. Here in this video, we have shown few warm-up exercises. You can do these warm-up exercises each 10 counts or 15 counts. It will make your body flexible to do asanas. We are done with our warm-up exercises. Now you can relax a while. Then you can start with Surya Namaskar. You can also say it as sun salutation. You all know Surya Namaskar well. I'll just tell the name of the asanas. Pranamasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Pada Hastasana, Ashva Chanchalanasana, Adho-Mukha Savasana, Ashtanga Namaskar, Bhujangasana, Adho-Mukha Savasana or Parvatasana, Ashwachanchalanasana, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Pranamasana. Now you can do the same process in your left leg. Do Surya Namaskar for 3 to 5 times. Now we will get into asanas. Before that, we will see do's and don'ts of yoga. Pada Angustasana. Bend your left leg and bring the foot to the left buttock. Then bend your right leg and place the right foot next to the left foot. Lift the right foot up and place it on the left thigh. Keep the left thigh parallel to the ground. The entire body weight is now borne by the toes. Once you master the above position, join the palms in front of the chest. Benefits of Pada Angustasana. Paschimottanasana. Sit on the ground, stretching both the legs outward. Toes should remain together, pointing forward. Now inhale, raise your arms and bend the body forward, exhaling as far as possible. While bending forward, do exhaling. In the final stage, interlocked fingers should be beyond the toes and nose should touch the knees. Initially, do it for 10 seconds. Benefits of Paschimottanasana. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Sit with your legs stretched out. Bend the right leg and place the right foot on the floor outside of left knee. Bend the left leg and bring the foot to the right buttock. Hold the right foot or ankle with your left hand, placing the arm outside of your right knee. Raise your right hand to shoulder level horizontally and fix the eyesight on your fingers. Slowly twist the torso to the right with arm, trunk and head. Do this for 10 seconds. Benefits of Matsyendrasana. Prasarita Padottanasana. Stand in Tadasana. Bring your hands to your hips. Turn to the left and step your feet wide apart. Inhale and lengthen your torso, reaching the crown of your head up toward the ceiling. Exhaling, fold forward at the hips. Keep the front of your torso long. Drop your head and gaze softly behind you. Bring your hands to rest on the floor between your legs. Hold up for 20 seconds. To release, bring your hands to your hips. Press firmly through your feet and inhale to lift your torso with a flat back. Step your feet together and return to Tadasana. Benefits of Prasarita Padottanasana. Niralamba Parshiva Konasana. Stand straight, wide your legs 3 to 4 feet apart. Turn your right leg and foot outward 90 degrees. Bend your right knee until your right thigh is parallel to the floor. Now hold your hands as shown in this video. You can hold in this pose for 10 to 15 seconds. Now slowly come back to the pose as shown here and do it with the other leg. You can do this for 3 to 5 times. Benefits of Niralamba Parshiva Konasana. Baddha Padmasana. Sit in Padmasana comfortably. Take your arms and cross them behind the back. Reach out for big toes and hold the right big toe with the left hand and left big toe with the right hand. Breathe normally. Retain the position as long as it is comfortable, or you can be for 10 counts. Release the position. Sit again in Padmasana. Repeat this for 3 times. Later, you can stretch your legs. You can relax. Benefits of Baddha Padmasana. Salabhasana. Lie flat on the stomach with the legs and feet together. Place the arms under the body. Slightly stretch the chin in the forward direction. Rest the chin on the floor. Slowly start raising the legs as high as possible without straining. Exhale and slowly lower the legs on the ground. Come back to the starting position. Be on this pose for 5 to 10 counts. Benefits of Salabhasana. Chakrasana. Lie flat on your back like Shavasana. Bend your knees and bring your heels closer to touch your hips. Keep some distance between your feet. Now raise your hands and bring your palms under your shoulders. Now while inhaling, press your palms and feet on the ground and lift your body up. Try to raise your hips as much you can. Hold this position for 5 to 10 counts and keep breathing normally. Now release your pose slowly to come to the starting position. Repeat once or twice. Benefits of Chakrasana. Dhanurasana. Lie flat on the stomach. Exhale. Bend your knees and hold the ankles with hands. While inhaling, raise the thighs, head and chest as high as possible. Try to maintain weight of the body on lower abdomen. Join the ankles, look upward and breathe normally. While exhaling, bring down the head and legs to the knee joint. Maintain this position up to 10 counts. Slowly come back to the original position. Benefits of Dhanurasana. Vakrasana. Sit with legs stretched. Bend the right leg and pull it by your side till it rests beside your left knee. Place your right hand behind your back and left arm over the right knee. Hold your right ankle. Push your right knee as far as possible and while exhaling, twist your trunk to the right side. Take as much as support from your left arm. Now repeat the same steps with the left side. Do this for 5 counts. benefits of Vakrasana. Savasana. Lie down straight, open your palm and close your eyes. Take a deep breath, relax your body. This session ends here. Practice regularly. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.